Hello there, everyone. Amber Hawkins, your Computer Needs of Toledo, LLC in Toledo, Ohio, where the motto is computer training and more that comes to you. I provide customized online and e-mobile computer training and consulting. Following COVID-19 rules and regulations, I also provide on-site computer training and consulting services. 3 reasons why I started the business. Number 1, after being laid off for an unbelievably time, I felt it was time to go ahead and forge on to starting my own business. Not having everything in place, not knowing everything, but I was forging ahead because I had said to myself, well, out of these layoffs, I'm going to make sure that I don't have a problem with that. I will not have to worry about laying myself off. The second reason is because I want to be one of the persons who helps bridge the gap between those who know and those who don't know about computers and technology. There is still the disparity of those who have problems understanding and also comprehending anything as far as basic computer terms to understanding different softwares, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and the like. The third reason is because in helping to bridge the gap between those who know and those who don't know about computers and technology, they are able to learn the skill sets that could be transferable not only as far as their personal lives, but also in the work that they do, depending on, and it doesn't matter as far as the industries are concerned. Many industries in the midst of the pandemic have found out, and also there has been exposure as far as those who know and those who don't know about computers and technology. Sometimes something as simple as turning on a device is a challenge. And I have a passion to making sure that they have the aha moments in their learning and that their learning is customized so that even if they had a late start in learning about computers and technology, at least they had a start and it'll be customized for them in order for them to learn and help bridge that gap. I thank you very much, and I thank you for your time.